much mind happy.
Yeah. Yan guys, yan ang warehouse guys.
Side.
Warehouse. Yan, warehouse site yan guys. Bumaba na yung mga kasama ko. Warehouse yun sila, warehouse. Bumaba na mga kasama ko guys. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. Kumusta? Good morning everyone, good morning everyone.
Other side. Down. Other side gate.
Yan guys, warehouse yan. Yan yung warehouse namin. American Design Stores.
Vlogger.
Das kulot.
Hold. Hold.
Whoop! Tangna ko, open the door.
Jai, kau kira ha? Tangan ayo duduk mari kak.
Jai, no gear. I'm vlog today.
Duduk kami.
Welcome to my vlog.
Utangin na no road.
Jai. And guys, pumasok kami sa warehouse bago kami pumunta sa ibang site. Yan mga kasama ko guys, magaganda na yung warehouse dito.
Aywa. Welcome to my vlog ha.
Welcome to my vlog, my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, man.
Maringging lato sila ya.
Mana stiker?
Isang shout out naman dyan, par.
Aywa, shoutout daw. Isang shoutout daw.
Oh,
Shoutout
shoutout,
ni
Lord.
Jerwin. Andito na sila sa warehouse.
Shout out. Mga
Yeah.
taga Philippines dyan, shout
Aywa,
out.
alhamdulillah.
Shout out American Design Source. Shout out.